Here's the trick to replacing the brake light bulb on the Ford Escape. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guide to DIY. Let's dive in. We're gonna pop off these caps in here. Revealing these socket heads. That's an 8mm socket. Now with those out, you push forward, thus revealing the bulb down there. I think it's this top one. Yeah, it's that top one. See how charred it is? Now we're just gonna pull it straight out. Yeah, that's really charred. Next, we make sure we have the right bulb and put that back in its cradle. Lock that. And then we're gonna push it back into place. And put all the rain gutter back into place. Before we put these bolts back in, we're gonna test it again. And now we have a nice bright brake light. But while we're doing one, they come in a pack of two, we're gonna do the other. Again, the trick is to push back towards the back of the truck. And again, we're replacing the top bulb. Rubber cover, push back. We're gonna test it again. It's just that easy. For more helpful videos like this one, click the image on your screen now. I'll see you in the next video.